Biff, and for today's video I'm here with Melody and Paisley, and on the day that you're seeing this, which will be a day after I film this video, it will be June 27th, 2018, and today is a very special day because it is actually my birthday, and it is also the 4-year anniversary of me having Dolly Delights channel. Certainly not posting videos like regularly and frequently, but actually having the account itself. I've had it for 4 years now, and I'm also turning 17 today. So for today's video, to honor my birthday and the birthday of Dolly Delights channel, I thought that I would do a giveaway for you guys. And also, this is kind of like my 2,000 subscriber giveaway also. I just thought that I would combine the whole thing because I wasn't gonna do a 2,000 subscriber giveaway. I was thinking about it, but then I was like, oh, I just did a giveaway pretty recently. I'll hold off. But now, since, it's our birthday, a lot of birthdays going around, I thought that since you guys have given so much to me over the last 4 years, that I would give back to you. So the first prize that you will win as the giveaway winner, there's only gonna be one winner for this giveaway, is this really adorable white crewneck sweatshirt that says Delights on the front. It is hand embroidered, has a rock cut hem, and it's made out of this super cozy and high quality white jersey fabric that has a fleece lining. If I zoom in here and get that focused, you can see there's the embroidery, and you can see it in the b-roll earlier as well. There's the raw edge and the cuffs and like the cute little hem on the neckline. And also, if you're wondering, these shorts are not in the giveaway, but I made these in my last video, which I will link up in a card in the top right hand corner. And then the other prize that you'll win as the giveaway winner are these really cute mom shorts. So I think together, paired with the sweatshirt, this is totally brandy vibes. But yeah, you'll be winning this really adorable pair of light wash denim mom shorts. They are super high quality, very nice fabric, and they're high quality because I made them, of course. Not to toot my own horn, but... So if you guys are interested in winning these prizes, all you have to do to enter the giveaway is number 1, be subscribed to this channel, Dolly Delights, and number 2, like this video, and number 3, leave a comment in the comment section down below telling me what your favorite Dolly Delights video is, and also leave your email or your Instagram so that I am able to contact you if you win. So this giveaway is also open internationally, so no matter where you live in the world, you are able to enter this giveaway, and it will run until July the 4th, so Independence Day will be the day that I draw the winner, so at midnight, that's when the giveaway will end. So basically you have up until July 3rd to enter. So that is really all I have to say for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enter my giveaway, and all the rules for the giveaway will be listed in the description box down below if you missed any. So thank you again for watching this video. Be sure you subscribe for more giveaways and also other American Girl doll videos like hairstyle videos, outfit videos, and more, and I will see you on Friday for my next video. Bye!